This is Health 54 right here on your digital first Pan-African News Network, TOS Television. I am Rose Audu. A professor of public health, Dr. Tanimola Akande, says monkeypox can be transmitted by close face-to-face contact, hugging and kissing. Professor Akande also said that it can also be transmitted through body contact during sex. According to the World Health Organization, human-to-human transmission of monkeypox can result from close contact with respiratory secretions, skin lesions of an infected person, or recently contaminated objects. No fewer than 723 cases of Lassa fever have been managed at the Case Management Center for the Lassa fever disease. It was reported that the death toll from the disease has continued to rise, as the country has so far reported 151 deaths. 23 states have also reported confirmed cases of the disease. A consultant cardiologist, Dr. Bode Adejumo, has raised concerns that many Nigerian young adults in their 30s were being diagnosed with hypertension. Adejumo, who works with the Lagos State University Teaching Hospital, said this in an interview with Newsmen. He also decried the rate of sudden death among young adults in Nigeria. Cases of monkeypox have been investigated in European countries as well as the United States, Canada, and Australia. According to health authorities, the latest new cases were reported in France, Italy, Sweden, and Australia. It follows the confirmation of cases in the United States, Spain, and Portugal on Wednesday, as well as the investigation of 13 suspected cases in Canada. Symptoms of monkeypox include a rash, fever, headache, muscle aches, backache, swollen lymph nodes, chills, and exhaustion. If you are experiencing any of these symptoms, please see your physicians. Similarly, health authorities in Canada's Quebec province are investigating more than a dozen suspected cases of monkeypox, a rare but potentially serious virus, public broadcast CBC reported on Wednesday. The United States on Wednesday also confirmed the case of monkeypox in a man who had recently traveled to Canada after European health officials confirmed dozens of cases earlier this week. This is TOS Television Network and you're watching Health 54. More stories when we return. Stay with us. Welcome back. It's Health 54. President Muhammadu Buhari has signed into law the National Health Insurance Authority Bill 2022. The law repeals the National Health Insurance Scheme Act Cap N42, Laws of the Federation of Nigeria 2004, according to a statement signed by the President's Senior Special Assistant on Media and Publicity, Garba Shehu, on Thursday. Oklahoma legislators have passed a law banning abortion after conception, which critics say is the most restrictive such measure in the United States. The Republican-led bill would prohibit all abortions except to save the life of the woman or if the pregnancy is the result of rape or incest. It comes after a leak suggested the United States Supreme Court may quash the 1973 ruling that legalized abortion nationwide. A consultant dermatologist, Dr. Enechukwu Inyanu, has urged parents to pay attention to how their children react after staying in the sun, noting that any child that suffers skin burns and blisters after being exposed to the sun could be at a high risk of skin cancer. The skin expert explained that the risk is higher in children with multicolored patches known as xeroderma pigmentosum, adding that they are more at risk of developing a skin cancer. And the Lagos state government has reiterated its commitment to end a new HIV infection by 2030. The Chief Executive Officer of the Lagos State AIDS Control Agency, Monsurat Adeleke, stated this at the Family Life and HIV Education Quarterly Coordination meeting recently held in the state. It said there was the need to sensitize the youth on abstinence and the use of condom. And for the first time in over 30 years, Sierra Leone has reported an outbreak of the deadly anthrax disease. Authorities say cases have been found in animals in the country's northeastern area, where more than 200 livestock have died. And just before we go, Mozambique has declared a polio outbreak after the virus was detected in a child living in the northern Tete region, the first case of the poliovirus in the country in almost 3 decades, the World Health Organization said. The case, which marks the second imported case of wild poliovirus in southern Africa this year following an outbreak in Malawi in February, was found in the child who began experiencing the onset of paralysis towards the end of March, the WHO stated. And this is Health 54 right here on your Digital First Pan-African News Network, TOS Television. For more updates, visit www.tostvnetwork.com. Do follow and like TOS TV Network on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And remember to subscribe on YouTube. Do stay with us and enjoy more programs on TOS TV Network. Remember, health is wealth. So till I come your way again, do stay healthy. I am Rose Audu, and many thanks for watching.